So this question is from Ring Theory, NetJRF June 2017, and question number is 85. So let's write down the question. So we have R set of all functions from a set say x to z2. Simply f is function, and this set x is 1 2 up to 10 elements, and this R is a ring under simple addition of function and multiplication, component wise addition of the function and multiplication of the function. Then we have to identify, first option is R has a unique maximal. So R has a unique maximal ideal. Second one is every prime ideal of R is a maximal ideal. So every prime ideal of R is a maximal ideal. And third one is number of proper ideal. So number of proper ideals of R is 511. And every element of R is idempotent. So these are some of the options. So every first option is it has a unique ideal. Second is every prime ideal is maximal. Or third is number of proper ideal is 511, and every element is an idempotent. So we have to identify these of the property. So let consider a function phi which is defined from R to Z2 cross Z2 cross Z2 10 times. Or just if we will take f belongs to R, so definitely f can be written as, so x has 10 element which is 1 2 up to 10, then this is equal to f1 f2 f10. So f can be written in this form, or this function can be written as f1. So first component is the image of 1, then f2 and f10, and since each fi belonging to z2, so this is a member of z2 cross z2 cross z2, this 10 times. That is, we can define a function phi which is defined from R to z2 cross z2 cross up to z2 10 times, such that phi of f equal to f1 f2 up to f10. And you can easily verify this is a ring homomorphism, and if f get changed, so image definitely get changed. So this function is 1 1, and for every element in z2 cross z2 pre-image can be defined. So this is also onto function. That is, your ring R is isomorphic to ring z2 cross z2 cross z2 10 times. And we know that if R is a ring which is f1 cross f2, where f1 and f2 are filled, then number of ideals is always 2 to the power 2, that is number of components. Since these all are filled, so from this we have number of ideals in R is equal to 2 to the power 10, and proper ideal is 2 to the power 10 minus 1. So your C option definitely falls based on this theory. And the prime ideal or maximal ideal of this is, if I is a prime ideal, then I should be of the form either trivial one z2 cross z2 cross z2, that is at least one position should be trivial and remaining all should be z2. So these are only prime or maximal ideal. So that is number of prime ideal or maximal ideal are exactly 10. So your first option definitely false, and every maximal ideal is prime ideal or every prime ideal is a maximal ideal. since the ideal of Z2 cross Z2 is of the form I1 cross I2 cross I3, and field has exactly two ideal, trivial one and field itself. Based on that property, every prime ideal should be a maximal ideal, or every maximal ideal should be a prime ideal. And since this ring is Z2 cross Z2 cross Z2, so every element obviously an idempotent element. So your answer is B and D answer.